Are you looking to protect your privacy or access region-blocked content while browsing the internet? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to add a VPN extension to Google Chrome, specifically using the Hola VPN extension. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install a VPN right into your browser so you can browse securely and unlock content from around the world. No technical experience needed. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're watching this and already have Chrome running, you're ahead of the game. If not, just find the Chrome icon on your desktop or Start menu and give it a click. This is where everything begins because all extensions are tailored specifically to their respective browsers. Now, once you're inside Chrome, move your cursor up to the address bar, the line at the very top of your screen where you usually type in website addresses. Here, simply type Chrome Store, just like you're searching for anything else. Hit Enter, and you should see results pop up for the Chrome Web Store. The Web Store is Google's official marketplace for all kinds of browser additions, including VPNs, ad blockers, and productivity tools. Think of it like the App Store for your web browser. From your search results, click on the link that says Chrome Web Store. You'll be taken to a page that looks a bit like an online shop with lots of categories and recommendations. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look towards the left-hand side of the page, and you'll see a sidebar menu. One of the options there is called Extensions. Go ahead and click that. Extensions are small programs that add special features to Chrome, and choosing this gives you only extensions instead of themes or apps. Now, let's find the VPN we're going to install, Hola VPN. At the top right of the Chrome Web Store page, there's a search bar that says Search Store. Click in that and type Hola VPN. This will narrow down your results and show you the Hola VPN extension, usually right at the top. Hola is a popular choice because it's lightweight and very straightforward, especially for beginners. It's always good to check the name, logo, and user ratings just to be sure you've got the real thing. There can be similar-looking options out there. Once you've found it, click on the button that says Add to Chrome. Chrome will pop up a little box asking you to confirm that you want to add this extension. This is a security measure, just so you know what you're about to install. Click Add Extension, and Chrome will download and install Hola VPN for you. Don't worry if this takes a few moments. It's usually pretty quick, but sometimes your internet connection can affect download speed. After it's installed, you'll see a small Hola VPN icon appear in the top right corner of Chrome, next to your address bar. This means you're all set. To use it, just click the icon whenever you want to activate the VPN. Try visiting a website to see how your browsing experience changes. You might notice that content that was previously blocked is now easily accessible, or you might even find your online privacy feels a bit more secure. And there you have it. Adding a VPN extension to Chrome is as simple as a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to suggest another extension for us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tech guides, just like this. Thanks for watching and happy secure browsing.